no, 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 no.
Greetings, beautiful people! Thank you for dropping by. In the 6th episode of Choco Week, we have got for you a review of a chocolate by the brand Choco Dusk. The outer packaging says you are a star. The name of the brand is Choco Dusk. They have done some really amazing job at the outer packaging. You'll get to know that further in the video. This is the variant Crunchy Almond. This particular variant retails for Rs 125. On our order deal, we also received this soft toy pen stand. Its size is almost like that of my palm. Quality is decent. I won't say it's super nice, but yeah, it's decent. We'll get back to it later on. So yeah, diving into a chocolate. Here comes the tasty part. The chocolate is a bit melted. Why? Because we had to keep it aside for a while, sanitize it and all, because of which we couldn't directly put it in the refrigerator as soon as we received it. So yeah, it's kind of a bit melted. Now coming to the review part, it's perfect level sweet. You can definitely finish it in a single go. Now you can't do that with the other regular chocolates. So yeah, it's definitely less sweet. Next, this variant is Crunchy, which is like nice. Here comes the best part. It has such a beautifully balanced taste, somewhere between the taste of a dark chocolate and a milk chocolate, which makes it super yummy. Now getting back to our soft toy pen stand. Now see, ideally it's supposed to be a pen stand and I did put in 4 pens there, but then this happened. So they are definitely not sturdy. Now I really like this brand considering the outer packaging of their chocolates, which makes it a very awesome gifting options. You can see it for yourself. You can find a chocolate in every category, be it welcoming somebody, congratulating somebody, wishing birthdays, giving it to a friend, apologizing, Valentine's, baby shower, maybe just like that. They also have a cover which says thank you. They are easily available on Amazon and Flipkart. We have provided the link in the description box. Do check it out. So yeah, overall as a gifting option, I found it super cool. They went really overboard with the phrase express yourself. I didn't find these soft toy deals to be price worthy, so you can skip on them. Now if you really want to gift someone, of course you can, but please don't go for these pen stand ones. Now overall, considering the packaging part, the taste part, the quantity part, we rate this product 4.2 out of 5. It is definitely a must-try chocolate and of course a super awesome gifting option. So if you enjoyed what you saw, please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Stay happy. Stay blessed. Bye. Bye bye.